Do you find it difficult to say consonants when they're all bunched together? Well, if you do, this lesson is for you. When consonants are bunched, or in other words, grouped together, they are known as consonant clusters. First of all, we're going to listen and repeat these verbs in the past tense, where the consonant clusters are at the end of the words. Notice how the ed at the end of the words is pronounced as a t sound. Ready? Let's start with verbs ending with g in the past tense. Dragged, drugged. Now ending with b. Grabbed, robbed, rubbed. Some more endings with p. Dropped, escaped, wiped, slipped, helped, jumped. And now words ending with k. Cracked, locked, knocked. And finally, sh. Rushed, smashed. However, when some of these are linked to a word beginning with a vowel sound, the t sound changes to a d sound, like this. Dragged away, grabbed on, opened it, robbed everything, rubbed on. This usually happens when the verbs end with the sounds n, g and b before the ed is added to form the past tense. Now let's listen and repeat these words and phrases with consonant clusters. Maths books, bookshelves, postcards, slip past, big girl, mad dog, what time, look carefully. Did you notice when you have the same sound at the end of the first word and the beginning of the next word, you only say the sound once, like this. Slip past, look carefully, big girl, what time. Now for some keep fit and relaxation while you practice your consonant clusters. Listen and then copy me. I've highlighted the letters when the sounds are the same at the end of the first word and at the beginning of the next word. Come to a standing position with your back straight and arms straight down by your sides, feet mat width apart. Your toes should be pointing to the front. Stand tall and stretch your arms up high above your head. Now bring them down. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Keep the knees soft. Feel your ribs move outwards as you slowly breathe in and breathe out. Circle your head. First to the right and then to the left. Do not let your head drop back. Begin to swing your arms from side to side around your body. This helps to relax you. Now put your hands by your sides. Come back to the center and stand at the front of the mat. Arms reach up and over the head, and as you exhale, twist to your right. Inhale, arms up to the center. Exhale and twist to your left. Inhale, arms up to the center. Exhale and twist to your right. Now, as you exhale, soften the knees and bring your fingertips down to the ground. Fold forward, hands to the shins, lift your chest, exhale, fold in, inhale. Come all the way back up to stand and rest. How do you feel? De-stressed or tied in a knot? I hope you practiced your consonant clusters. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the lesson today, Until next time, love and peace.